Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we're gonna be using the As I Am line, the original line, to do a twist out. So I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner and the double buttercream on both sides of my head, and on one side I'm gonna use the curling jelly and it's huge, the Wetline Xtreme Gel. So this one is the newer one. I don't know if there's much of a difference between this one and the previous, but you know, it's gel. So I'm expecting one half of my head, I'm probably gonna use this half, to be more defined and the other to be, well, less defined. So I want to see how long both sides will last and compare softness and all that good stuff. So as soon as I wash my hair, I'm gonna come back on camera and we can do this thing. All right, so see you soon. All right guys, I'm back, and for the sake of time I did deep condition my hair for like 15 minutes. It feels really good, and I did add the leave-in, this one, in my hair, but I still do want to show you guys the consistency. It's very light and oh my gosh, it smells really good. See, it's, if the camera would just focus, you guys get the idea. It's like literally like water. It just, I love it. I love it because it's lightweight. It doesn't like leave residue in my hair, and it never lets me down when it's never let me down before. All right, so I'm just gonna start with the double butter cream. It's thick, but it's not like thick, you know. It smells good too. Everything just smells good. It just smells good, you know. It smells real good.
I don't want to do the sections too big, but I don't want to do them too small either. I'm gonna probably make this like into 3. Let me make that smaller. So about this big. My hand feels slippery. So about this big. Can you guys like see the size of it? Alright, just this big. And I said some of the jelly now. The jelly is like, oh, my hair is on my hand. Okay. The jelly is like, well. Okay. So just kind of this amount, not too much.
Twist it. Now what I'm curious about is, like, you know, when you do like a twist out or a braid out with gel, you can separate easily, but I've never like tried it with, well, this particular product because I do have thicker hair. So I'm wondering how the my name, it's not looking thing, yeah, the curling jelly how the curling jelly and my hair are gonna agree. Can y'all see my hair though? Like before, everything is all curled up and whatnot. This is it. This is my hair with the curling jelly and the double butter cream, and well, the leave-in as well. So, oh, look at my muscles, y'all. Ooh, I got muscles, okay? It's all this. It's because I have to comb my hair in the eyes. That's why, because I ain't working out. Well, I should be, you know what? Speak it into being. Speak it into being. I will be doing it soon. Soon enough. It does leave this, let me be specific, the curling jelly. Ooh, my hand is like watery. The curling jelly does leave this kind of sheen on my hair, like a good sheen, not a bad sheen, a good sheen. This is how the ends look, for anybody that's curious. Now we can move on to another section. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the entire half section of my hair with the curling jelly. So I'm gonna go ahead now and do this section with the gel. All right, see it here. what? It is here to everywhere. Here to everywhere. Alright. Alright. This is the gel. Can y'all see this? I don't know. I really don't know if you can see this or not. It just, to me, it looks the same as the other one. I feel like it smells strong. I'm trying to put gel on my nose, but Lord have mercy, it's going to be really different, isn't it? Lord mercy. I feel like I maybe have like put a little bit too much gel on this section, but yeah, feel me, we're just gonna see. I'm gonna try and put less gel on the other sections though. Alright guys, I'm on the very last section of the gel side of my hair. But let me know in the comments what you guys think is gonna happen with this. Like, do you think over here is gonna, you know, look good or not? Hey guys, back again, and it's 2 days later, not including today. So this would be the third day that I have these twists in, and they're dry. Yes, they better be. Can you imagine? Yeah, I was going to use my hood cap dryer to like dry the hair, but honestly no. So these are the twists with the not looking thing. Why can't I remember the name right now? The jelly from As I Am, right? See, some of them kind of like started to unravel, and these are the twists with the products from As I Am with the Xtreme Wetline Gel. I don't know if you guys can like see the twist properly, but I'm just gonna unravel them. I wonder which side I should do first, and then we'll see. All right. Alright, well, this one I don't want to separate it because it feels like if I do, it's gonna turn into a frizz ball. But this is it. This is the side with the custard. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't remember the name of the products, but you know what I'm talking about. This, so here it is, right? And this is the side that I used with the gel. Hope you guys can see it. Now, this side is like way less defined as expected. I want you guys to really see. It's like way less defined. I don't think it will last as long as the other side. This side now, way more definition, right? Way more definition. Way more definition. But you know what? Both sides are like really soft. Like, I didn't use too much gel, so remember, and both sides are really soft, and I don't look like a clown with two different side of heads. So yes, I like this. The hair is so big right now, honestly, it's kind of hot. Well, so let me know what you guys think about this twist out, and like if you would ever try it. Oh yeah. I like this side a lot. Like, this side has a way more body, like without even trying. Stop. But like, you can see it, like you can actually see it. But both sides are really soft, and you do have the curls, but as I said, this side is way more definition. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, would you ever try with any of these products, like any of them at all? And yeah, that's it.